Hey ladies, today we're doing a HIIT workout. I got my friend YAVEE here from Florida. You ready to lose weight? Yeah! Hit the wall. That's what we'll do.
I am not hitting no wall. You can forget it. And I know I look special here, don't I?
No, she don't.
Tell the truth.
From Florida.
I guess,
Are you still
girl, I
recording?
don't know nothing about
One more time, ready?
You gonna see me
gonna
if
hit
you
the wall.
see that video. You gonna see me side-eyeing you in the video. Welcome to Piedmont Park. Today we're gonna do a HIIT workout with a partner. We're gonna do da-da-da-da-da. Blah, blah, blah.
All right.
So I don't have
no,
to
but
be
I
in
want.
the...
Yes, you are. You're my partner.
No! Whatever. This is when you say, hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Today we're doing a HIIT workout, a partner HIIT workout at Piedmont Park. We've got the beautiful scenery behind us, and I've got my friend all the way from Florida. You'll get to see her when we do our workout. So keep watching. Yeah! And then I show up magically in the video.
Thank you. She just did our intro. Boom. Hey ladies, thank you so much for watching. Today we're doing a HIIT workout, a partner HIIT workout. Shout out to my friend YAVEE. Thank you girl so much for coming to visit me, and while she visited me for her birthday weekend from Florida, we made this video. You know, before we recorded this video, we actually went out to eat to this place, which I can't remember the name, but it was Italian inspired, and it was in Ponce City Marketplace. Stay tuned for my future videos. Hit that notification bell because I'm going to upload her birthday weekend, which is like a staycation in Atlanta. It's basically places you might want to go and places you want to see. It's just going to be so fun. We had, oh my god, we had the best food. Oh my god, and I'm such a foodie. So much food. You guys don't want to miss this. So what I love about HIIT workouts is that it's great for people like me trying to lose weight. It boosts your metabolism and you continue to burn calories even when you're finished working out. Okay, don't forget to rest. Resting is important, but don't rest too much because you don't want to lower your heart rate. You want to keep your heart rate up. So we rest for about 15 seconds, and then we did all of the exercises again 2 more times. My favorite, I love squats. Squats are the best for me. I really feel it in my butt as well as in my thighs. I don't know. I think squats are like a staple exercise. I do it all the time, and then I give myself maybe a 1 or 2 day rest, but no matter what, I'm always going to be doing squats. For me, I'm trying to sculpt my legs, and squats are just like the best for that. Your calf raises are important and really want to build those calf muscles, you know. It's one thing to have like thick thighs, but if your calves don't match your thighs, then I think you don't look proportionate. I want to make sure that I have bigger calves, so this exercise is good to build your calf muscles. Here we are doing step-ups. Step-ups are cool because it works your legs, it also works your butt. It's like almost it's like your entire lower body is getting a workout. YAVEE had a headache, so towards the end she was kind of like, okay, I'm out of it. Well, I thank God she still continued to keep going because she's my girl. Thank you, boo. But yeah, she really was out of it. I love HIIT exercises because this right here, you see it's quick, it doesn't take too long, there's no excuse. You really don't even need equipment. You just find things that you want to work on, build your body, do those HIIT exercises, get your heart rate up. You can do it at home. We're doing it at the park because it's so beautiful, so it's nice to get outside if you can. This is Piedmont Park, which in my opinion, oh my God, is so pretty. Some people sunbathe. I see people doing yoga out there. There's always some kind of fitness class out there. Plus, if you're into film, they're always filming a movie, or there's concerts at this park. The scenery, I just love the scenery. It's so pretty. So many places to work out in Atlanta that are just beautiful. Atlanta is just a really beautiful place in general. And so I love Piedmont Park. It's one of my favorite parks that I go to work out. And you can find a bench just like we did and get your workout on, girl. You know, just no excuses. Let's get it in 2020. My workout, we finally did it. Yay. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what videos would you like to see from me in the future. Love you. Remember, beauty is health and health is wealth. Okay, take care.